Hello and welcome to our fourth part of our mini-series, How to Attract a Girl. In this episode you will get 5 tips how to attract a girl you want to date for sure. So lean back and have fun. How to attract a woman, the 25 best tips. 16. Encourage her to invest in the conversation. Allow the girl you wish to impress to start the conversation. Don't talk over her, because she becomes more engaged in the topic the more she speaks. And the more she participates in the dialogue, the more significant this interaction is to her. Because you attach greater value to something the more you invest in it. So permit the female you just contacted to talk about herself when she begins to do so. 17. Make her envious. Talking about other girls while you speak to a girl you wish to attract is sneaky yet really effective. Praise women you've recently met or women you know well. For illustration, a new coworker has joined our company. She's a really smart girl who is also quite attractive. She constantly wears fashionable clothing. 18. Preserve some of the mystery. As one might anticipate, mystery may be extremely attractive. Being mysterious is not difficult to pull off. You must keep in mind this. In a conversation with a girl you wish to impress, you should avoid talking about yourself and instead focus on her. You're going to bring her up in the conversation. 19. Put her at ease by demonstrating your normalcy to her. You must be able to make a female feel comfortable if you want to attract her. First of all, she is unfamiliar with you. It's possible that you're a psychopath or that you have evil intentions. It's very acceptable to be wary of strangers. 20. Exude indifference. Keep in mind what we observed earlier. She must perceive you as a challenge in order for you to appeal to her rather than as a man who would do anything to have her. You need to behave in a way that gives her the impression that you have options and that you can change your mind. There are other girls in your cosmos than this one. She may be attractive to you, but it doesn't guarantee that you'll pick her. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.